If you are a business owner, a freelancer, side hustler, or entrepreneur, this video is for you. And make sure you subscribe because every week I'll be sharing practical tax and financial tips in simple language that actually makes sense. So let's get into it. The number one reason business owners overpay taxes is very simple. They do not have a tax strategy. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Most people think tax preparation and tax planning are the same thing, but they are completely different. Tax preparation is looking backward, and tax planning is looking forward. So, tax preparation actually happens after the year is already over. And tax planning happens during the year while you still have time to make smart decisions. And this is where many business owners actually lose money. A lot of people only talk to their accountant once a year during tax season, especially. But by then, many opportunities to save money are already gone. So, for example, maybe your business structure is costing you extra taxes. Just maybe you should be paying yourself differently. Or maybe you should contribute to a retirement account and reduce your taxable income. Or maybe you could write off an equipment purchases strategically. But if nobody talks to you about these things, especially ahead of time, you miss those opportunities. And unfortunately, many business owners think, well, as long as my taxes are filed, I'm fine. But let me tell you something. Filing taxes is the minimum. Smart tax planning is where the savings happen. Let me give you an example. Imagine we have two business owners. Each of them make $150,000. One business owner has no tax strategy. The other business owner works with the CPA throughout the year. They track their expenses properly and they plan ahead. So, in this situation, even though both business owners make the same amount of money, one could legally pay thousands less in taxes. That's the power of tax planning. And here's something even more important. The tax code actually rewards business owners. There are legal deductions and strategies that is built into the system, but you have to know about them and plan for them. So, if you only think about taxes once a year, there is a high chance that you are overpaying taxes. So, let's move to the second reason. The second reason business owners overpay taxes is poor bookkeeping. Whew, honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons I see many people or business owners pay in taxes. A lot of business owners are working hard, making sales, serving clients, and growing their businesses. But their finances are so disorganized. And when your books are messy, your taxes usually become very, very expensive. Why? Because bookkeeping tells the story of your business. If your income and expenses are not tracked properly, you can miss deductions. And missed deductions means that what? Higher taxes. You got it right. So, according to studies, nearly 40% of small business owners say bookkeeping is one of the biggest struggles. And I get it. I really understand why. Because entrepreneurs started their businesses because they are good at their craft. Not because they love accounting like I do, but bookkeeping actually really, really matters. Let me give you another example. So, for example, many business owners forget to track mileage, business meals, subscriptions, travel expenses, home office deduction expenses, as equipment purchases, phone and internet bills. Oh my gosh. Don't get me started on software expenses. And these small expenses, guys, add up so quickly over the year. Another issue is what? Mixing your personal and business expenses together. That creates a lot of confusions during tax season and makes tax filing really harder. Sometimes business owners also wait until tax season to organize an entire year of transactions. That creates stress and increases the chances of mistakes. Good bookkeeping does a few important things, and I want to walk them in this video. It helps reduce taxes. It helps you understand your business numbers. It helps you prepare for loans and growth. And it helps you protect you in case of an audit. One thing I always tell business owners is this: unfortunately, you cannot manage what you do not track. So if you want to build wealth through your business, your financial records must be organized. Even simple bookkeeping habits can save you a lot of money over time. Now, lastly, let's move to the third reason. The third biggest reason is business owners are overpaying in taxes because they treat their CPAs like a tax preparer instead of a strategic advisor. This is a big one, guys. Many people think an accountant's job is just to file taxes, but a good CPA should help you make smarter financial decisions throughout the year. The businesses that save the most money in taxes usually communicate with their CPA regularly. Like in us, we communicate with our clients every quarter, not just in April. They ask questions before making major decisions. So let me give you some example. Should I buy this vehicle through the business? Should I change my business structure? Should I hire employees or contractors? Because those are two different things. How should I pay myself? Very important question. Should I invest in retirement accounts? Those conversations matter because timing in taxes matters. And many tax savings opportunities happens before the year ends. So, a strategic CPA helps you plan ahead instead of reacting later. So think about it this way: would you rather prevent a problem or would you rather fix it afterward? That's the difference between tax planning and last minute tax filing. And honestly, guys, many business owners don't even realize how much money they're leaving on the table. Sometimes people overpay taxes for years simply because nobody showed them better strategies. So that brings me to the end of the three reasons. So let's just recap what we talked about. Let's recap the three biggest reasons business owners overpay taxes. Number one, no tax strategy. Number two, poor bookkeeping and expense tracking. And lastly, number three, only talking to their CPAs once a year. The good news is this: most of these problems can be fixed with better planning and guidance. You work so hard, for your money. So you should not be paying more taxes than necessary and legally allowed. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this with another business owner who needs to hear this. Also, follow us on our social media on Facebook, on Instagram, and LinkedIn for tax saving tips, bookkeeping education, and wealth building strategies for entrepreneurs. Lastly, comment tax if you need help organizing your finances for your business. And always remember, plan smart, pay less, and build wealth. See you in next week's video.